Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the 4-cell battery, loosen the 8 screws securing the base cover. Pry the cover away from the recess points near the hinges. Lift it off the system. Identify the battery. Find and unplug the battery cable. Remove the screw securing it. Lift the battery out of the system. To reinstall the 4-cell battery, place the battery back. Tighten the screw. Plug in the battery cable. Align and place the base cover on the computer. Tighten the 8 captive screws to secure the base cover. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.